Hi, this is Sarah. She wanted to work online, but there was a problem. She did not have any skills and lacked money too. She started searching online and found the best online solution for her problem. Yes, EziTech, an online learning platform that provides the best courses. They were experts with PHP, iOS, .NET, C#, Android, web development, and many more. Sarah has now gained new skills to start her online business, all thanks to EziTech. Sarah is now a freelancer, selling her skills to international markets. She is now satisfied with her earning. Services that stand to make your desires come true better than all alternatives out there. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and start making profits with us. Contact us now on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and on our website.